Kumusta? Welcome to Hazel's Emporium, and to those who are new to me, welcome and thank you for coming to my prem. Thank you everyone for coming. I really appreciate that. So for today's video, everyone, I am going to do an unboxing and a review at the same time, of course, to a company named Tidelocker.company.ru. So I will be doing an unboxing for this, and let's carry on. So please see me more in the inside of this video. Thank you. So in addition to that, this is the one that I am going to do unboxing first. It's a huge box, as you can see that. So I can't wait though. Let's go. Okay, here this is. All right. Let's carry on, continue opening up this. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is, oh my God. I'm like, oh my God. Beautiful. Looks very decent for traveling and for going to work. I might use this for travel for now. It's wow. Okay, so I have a very huge compartment. I can have my laptop here, my overnight or 2 nights, 2 days stay for let me check this. Oh my God, this is unreal. It's a huge, it's not really that huge, but we can use this going to work. We can, very convenient, guys. Let's go take this off. So this is it. The material is, look at that, guys. The nylon is durable, and the detail of how this bag stitches is perfect. Everything is in the best place. This is the lock. I will just gonna, the lock has a name. Sorry, that was, yeah, can you see that? I hope so. Comes with a Prada name, and same as the other one, of course, right? And huge in the inside. Two compartment with this zip slides perfectly with this tag, a Prada logo, and the material is super. It's perfect for traveling. You can use this for an overnight or 2 days, 2 nights. It can fit in her. in this inside. So let me put my stuff. I have my personal laptop. This can fit in here. That's one. I can have my personal for your, if you're staying for overnight, personal stuff, you can have that. Permitted to an airplane because that not more than 100 ml, so that's good for that. It's huge space, capable of overnight and 2 days. Just put your stuff in a proper place, and look at that. Look at how capable and how awesome this bag is. Look at that. So yeah, I will put the link below for more information and for the complete detail. So this is it. Look at this, guys. The lock of this has this Prada logo. Isn't it so awesome? There is an adjustment, of course. You can adjust this. I have the back. It has an adjustment at the back too at the same time. Depending your size, you can adjust to smaller size, medium, large, XL, human, that can fit on this. And this has a very secure lock. Very super secure lock. You can see that. And I have this Prada logo on both sides. And we can still accumulate this space here. Aside from the space in the inside, there is one more space here. So yes, you should get this one, guys. This is good for your travel 2 days overnight, and this is good for your work at the same time. Okay, okay. So this is it, everyone. I have my laptop inside. I have my overnight cloth. I have my toiletries and stuff like that. So this is all super awesome. You can use this when you are going to work at the same time, when you are traveling overnight 2 days. This would fit. Everything that you need can be in the inside. This is capable of more than 2 days of out of town. So I will put all the link below, all the information that you needed to know about this. And you can also use my discount card or discount coupon. I will link the description below of this. So Tidelocker, guys, offer the very latest high-end fashion stuff for all of us. So you go visit their website below and you can check everything. They do carry all the stuffs that we needed, from bag, from head to toe. So there's a bag, there's clothes and everything, shoes and stuff like that. So go check their link and you can use my discount card, 10% off for that. That's not too bad. This time with inflation, we all need a discount just to save money in our pocket, right? So I've got the product Re-Naylon and Saffiano leather tote. For this, the bag's name. So I've got this one. And you can also check their social media account, the Instagram. I will put everything in the link below. I were to rate this, I will give this a 10. Super. The material, guys, is heavy duty material, capable of more than a day, a night, overnight, out of town. You can use this in the office. You can put your laptop and all personal stuff. I can use this in my workplace too. I can put my scrubs on. I can put my water bottle, coffee bottle and stuff like that. So I can use this. Put my scrubs, spare scrubs. We never know, right? So yeah, I will give this a 10. Heavy duty material, capable of more than 2 days out of town. So I will recommend you to use this. This is very awesome bag from Tidelocker. Thank you, Tidelocker, for your trust. Thank you very much. I super like it. I love it very much. So let's try this on. How's that?